DuraPost U-channels are a versatile part of the DuraPost fencing range. Our U-channels come in three sizes: 3 meters, 2.1 meters and 1.8 meters. It comes in 5 colors: black, anthracite grey, sepia brown, olive grey and galvanized. Like the classic DuraPost, it is pre-drilled on one edge and the back of the U-channel to allow easy fixing and multiple fixing positions. The U-channel can be used as a wall plate when starting fencing from a wall or existing fence. The U-channel can also be mounted to the DuraPost corner post. This provides a quick and easy option for creating corners. Colour-matched self-fixing screws secure the fence through the pre-drilled holes. To add a finishing touch, a cover strip is also available to cover the screw side of the channel.